So this is a picture of the heifers 2 weeks ago. So these will be calving, they've just started calving now. So they're out 2 weeks ago. Basically, a simple system, try and keep things simple and maximise profit from having cattle out as long as possible. So there's no reason why anybody can't do this sort of a system, provided you have the right animal for the system, whether it be dairy, beef. You can certainly store cattle on this sort of system, but you won't fatten them on it. And as Ben mentioned, he does a bit of deferred grazing on his sheep system as well, and also willing to be flexible. I find it important and financially rewarding to make every aspect of the business profitable, otherwise something else has to prop up that enterprise.